It's such a beautiful night on the farm and I don't have anything else to do, so I figured I would take a video of how pretty it is with a little tour. Oh, sorry. Let's start first with Otis. Hi, Otis. Otis is the family dog. Otis, can you sit? All right. Hi, Otis. Good dog. Good dog, Otis. I know you love to be loved. Okay, so here we have the house. Cool, huh? Old. Built before the Civil War. Hi, Otis. We're going on a tour. Come on. Okay. Then we have the side yard with an old summer kitchen, which is where they used to make lunches when it was hot in the summer. It's kind of old. Then we have Daniel's red truck and his house under the trees. Then we've got fields. Here comes a car. This is the front yard where we used to play lots of wiffle ball. Except for our home base got destroyed in a storm a couple of years ago, so we had to plant a new tree. The wiffle ball bases, first, second, third, and home are on hiatus. Moving on. Where are we going, Otis? Moving on to the other part of the yard. We've got cows down here. Garage, oh, a barn, the garage. More of the house. The backyard. Oh, Otis is looking at some, oh, a squirrel. Oh boy. Daniel's house. Cows. Hi, Otis. Were you successful? Nope. Hi, good dog. Out of the way. Mom's garden, which has not been tilled yet because the guys are too busy in the fields. The grain bins. A bunch of old barns, etc. That's the homestead, folks. Oh, and that's me. Hello. And there's Otis. Where are you, Otis? Good dog. Bye, everybody.